Number 51 from page 372. All right, 51. Looks weird, but let's distribute. Let's do some algebra first, because I think that will make our calculus life a little easier. I'm showing you how many algebra steps can I do at once here. 1/4 natural log x plus 1 minus 1/4 natural log x minus 1 plus 1/2 arctan of x. So I distributed the 1/2 to who needs the 1/2, distributed the other 1/2 to who needs that 1/2, and then I split up the natural log. Because if you do quotient rule on this, it's going to be ugly because it's 1 over this times the derivative of that. Ugh. This is going to be much nicer. So dy dx is 1/4 1 over x plus 1 minus 1/4 1 over x minus 1, right? Because derivative of natural log is 1 over the argument times the derivative of the argument. So I guess if you really want to show the chain rule, you'd put times 1 on there. Plus 1/2. Okay, arctangent. It's been the full 24 hours since I've done arctangent. Tangent is the one that doesn't have a square root and the one that's plus. All right, sine and cosine have the square root in the bottom, and they're minus. Tangent, no square root, and it's plus. Now, I say that's a safe stop, you're good. The book gets a common denominator for these two, which should be x squared minus 1. And then that one's x squared plus 1, which means the common denominator for all of it would be x squared plus 1, x squared minus 1. And at least that's where they get the denominator from. I don't know what the numerator becomes, but that's, you can sort of see, that's my halfway check against CalcChat. I'm not doing all the numerators, but I can at least see, I understand where they got their denominator from. Safe stop though, right? Mess with all that stuff. Again, combine these two, you get this term with a common denominator, and you go from there. But I don't want to do the algebra. Safe stop, be done. Because if I remember right, when you look in CalcChat or back of the book, it gets it all the way down to something over x to the 4th minus 1. All right, let's work on going backwards. So excited when you get to just take notes on the paper, right? Life's little joys.
It makes me get up.
That's better.
Yeah. No, I like it.
Sorry, I missed it.
Yeah. On my history test exams, please.
All right, so two sides to this worksheet.